Have you always wanted that coveted, dewy, glowing goddess look? Yeah. Well, with Nude by Nature's Summer Glow Up Look 2 Glowy Goddess, we have got the perfect selection of products to get you glowing all summer long. Shall we go?
Let's go.
So for our first step, we're going to use the Perfecting Primer, Hydrate and Illuminate. Now, I love this to create the perfect base for any makeup application, but this one has got olive fruit extract, which is absolutely amazingly hydrating. It's got a very soft glow and shimmer to the skin, and it's going to keep you hydrated and hold on to your foundation all day long. And unlike most primers, Nude by Nature would never have any silicone in it. So next we have the Hydra Serum Tinted Skin Perfector. I love this product for a easy to apply, gorgeous glowing skin. Now you'll hear the little ball inside. Now that mixes the pigments into the beautiful oil formulation, and you simply put it onto the back of your hand. I'm going to use the flat buffing brush to apply, and then simply blend it into the skin and look at this gorgeous, healthy glow. Now you can apply this with fingers, you can apply it with a sponge. It's pretty much however you enjoy to apply your foundation. As you can see, this is really the sweet spot between sheer coverage and sheer hydration. This is lightly tinted to give you that evened out look, plus it's got hyaluronic acid in there for that serum style effect. Next, one of my favorite little handbag heroes is the Touch of Glow highlight stick. I love this. Simply warm up with the tip of the finger and then press it in to give the most gorgeous, subtle glow. You will love the way it looks, and perfect for all ages because it's not too shiny. When you're applying it on yourself in the mirror, you may not see it immediately, but if you turn this way, you get that beautiful glow and enhanced by vitamin E, so that really nice moisturized look. And finally, we're going to add the Virgin Blush. Now, top tip with a loose powder blush, open it upside down so that we can actually keep the powder in the lid. That way you work from there. Close it upside down as well. With the Virgin Blush, you lift up a little bit of the powder with your blush brush and gently blend it in. This is a gorgeous peachy, corally, goldy color. It's very warm, gives that gorgeous blushing goddess look that we're after. It is very pigmented, so a little goes a very long way. Build it slowly. And there you have it, the Summer Glow Up Look 2, the Glowing Goddess. And you look like a goddess. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
Amazing, yes. If you would like to worship your skin with 100% natural makeup, then Nude by Nature is for you. Let's get glowing.